BookRead AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently, and in this review, I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new software. Whether you're an author, marketer, or someone who just loves books, BookRead AI could seriously change the way you approach content creation. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of it. Before we dive in, remember that you can try BookRead AI for free using the link in the description below. Now, let's dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know. First up, BookRead AI is designed to streamline the process of book creation, summarization, and analysis using advanced AI technology. Whether you're working on your next great novel or simply need to summarize a massive pile of research for a project, BookRead AI helps you get more done in less time. It generates concise, accurate summaries and even helps with the ideation process for authors. One of the standout features is its ability to not just summarize a book, but also analyze it in depth. It extracts key themes, character development, and plot structures. For authors, this means you can better understand your own work or analyze others in a way that's detailed and nuanced. It's like having an expert critique your book or the books you're studying in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. BookRead AI can also help you brainstorm new book ideas. Let's say you've got the itch to write, but you're not sure where to start. BookRead AI can provide suggestions based on your preferences, existing works, or even what's trending. It's an AI-powered brainstorming partner that you've never had before. Another game-changing feature is how it helps with marketing. If you're an author or publisher, you'll love this part. BookRead AI can generate tailored marketing copy for your book, including social media posts, email drafts, and even book descriptions. This takes a lot of guesswork and effort out of marketing, letting you focus on what you do best, creating. And here's a big one. BookRead AI works with any genre, which is great for content creators across the board. Whether you're into fiction, non-fiction, or educational content, this tool adapts to your needs. This flexibility is rare for AI software, but it's exactly what makes BookRead so powerful. Now, BookRead AI's user interface is extremely intuitive, making it accessible even if you're not a tech-savvy person. The setup is simple, and everything is organized, so you'll never feel overwhelmed by options. Even if you're just starting with AI software, BookRead makes it easy to dive right in and see results. Finally, one thing I love about BookRead AI is its ability to integrate with other platforms. If you're already using content management systems, it easily slots in, allowing you to stay productive without needing to learn a whole new tool. This makes it a seamless addition to your workflow. So, why should you care about BookRead AI? Whether you're an author trying to speed up your writing process, a marketer needing quick content creation, or simply someone who loves to read and analyze books, this software has something to offer. It's not just another AI tool. It's a game changer in content creation and marketing. Remember, you can try BookRead AI for free through the first link in the description below. If you've tried hundreds of AI tools like I have, you know that only a few stand out, and this is one of them. Before you go, check out the recommended AI tools in the description below. These are my top picks, tested and tried across thousands of options, so you're getting the best of the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.